Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
नमस्कार, यश अकॅडमी कराडमध्ये आपलं मनपूर्वक स्वागत. Today I will teach you electrophilic substitution reactions in alkyl and aryl ethers, that is aromatic ethers. Before discussing the electrophilic substitution reactions in alkyl aryl ethers, can you recall what is an electrophile? Electrophile, this word is quite familiar to you from 11th standard. It is electropositive species. It is electron deficient species. It can attack a region of high electron density in a substrate. Suppose you are given substrate alkyl aryl ether. This is the structure. OR group, that is the alkoxy group, is directly attached to benzene ring, and this OR group, which is directly attached to benzene ring, acts as the electron releasing or electron donating group. So it increases the electron density on ortho and para positions. Means in short we can say that it activates 2 ortho and 1 para position. So from the resonating structures of alkyl aryl ethers, it is clear that the 2 ortho and 1 para positions are found to be electron rich. So electrophile, that is E plus species, can readily attack these 3 sites, 2 ortho and 1 para, and undergoes different types of electrophilic substitution reactions like bromination, nitration, and third one is a Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation. Now we will study these reactions one by one. First of all, see bromination of anisole. Under halogenation, bromination is expected. So it is a substitution reaction in which hydrogen atom of benzene ring of anisole is substituted by Br atom or a group, and this bromination is carried out by using bromine in acetic acid. Now see the reaction. This is anisole, or second name is methyl phenyl ether. When treated with bromine in presence of acetic acid, which is a polar protic solvent, it gives a mixture of orthobromoanisole, that is 2-bromoanisole, and para-bromoanisole or 4-bromoanisole. So out of these 2 products, 4-bromoanisole is found to be a major product in this reaction. Now we'll see the description of the reaction. Anisole reacts with bromine in presence of acetic acid to give a mixture of orthobromoanisole and para-bromoanisole. So in this reaction, this orthohydrogen atom combines with Br to form HBr as a byproduct, and this orthohydrogen atom of anisole or benzene ring of anisole is substituted by Br to give 2-bromoanisole. At the same time, para-hydrogen combines with Br to form HBr as a byproduct to give para-bromoanisole. This is the bromination of anisole. Now we'll see the second type of reaction, that is nitration of anisole. It is again a substitution reaction in which hydrogen atom of benzene ring of anisole is substituted by nitronium ion, that is NO2 group, and nitration is carried out by using nitrating mixture, that is a mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid. Now we'll see the reaction, that is the chemical reaction anisole, second name methyl phenyl ether, when treated with concentrated nitric acid, that is HONO2, in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, which acts as a catalyst. It gives a mixture of orthonitroanisole and para-nitroanisole. This, out of these two structures, 4-nitroanisole is found to be a major product. Now we'll see the description of the reaction. Anisole reacts with concentrated nitric acid in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid to give a mixture of orthonitroanisole and para-nitroanisole. So in this reaction, orthohydrogen atom of anisole or benzene ring of anisole combines with OH to form water as a byproduct, and orthohydrogen is substituted by nitronium, that is the NO2 group, to give 2-nitroanisole. And para-hydrogen also combines with OH of nitric acid to form byproduct water, and para-hydrogen is substituted by NO2 group to give para-nitroanisole. So this is the nitration of anisole. Now we'll see the last electrophilic substitution reaction of anisole, that is Friedel-Crafts reaction of anisole. First of all, see alkylation of anisole. Again, it is a substitution reaction in which hydrogen atom of benzene ring of anisole is substituted by R group, that is alkyl group, which may be methyl, ethyl, isopropyl, and so on. So alkylation is carried out by using alkyl halide, particularly alkyl chloride, in presence of Lewis acid, anhydrous aluminum chloride. In this reaction, aluminum trichloride acts as a catalyst. Now we'll see the reaction anisole methyl phenyl ether when treated with methyl chloride in presence of Lewis acid, anhydrous aluminum chloride, to give a mixture of products. One is the orthomethoxytoluene. This is orthomethoxy and this is toluene or 2-methoxytoluene, and second product is para-methoxytoluene or 4-methoxytoluene. Now we'll see the description of the reaction. Anisole reacts with methyl chloride in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride to give a mixture of orthomethoxytoluene and para-methoxytoluene. So in this reaction, out of these two products, para-methoxytoluene is found to be a major product. In this reaction, orthohydrogen of benzene ring of anisole combines with Cl of methyl chloride to form HCl as a byproduct, and orthohydrogen is substituted by this methyl group so as to give 2-methoxytoluene. This parahydrogen of benzene ring of anisole also combines with Cl to give HCl as a byproduct, and this parahydrogen is substituted by methyl group so as to give 4-methoxytoluene. So this is the alkylation, that is the Friedel-Crafts alkylation of anisole. Now this is the last chemical reaction, acylation, Friedel-Crafts acylation of anisole. It is a reaction in which hydrogen atom of benzene ring of anisole is substituted by RCO acyl group and is carried out by using acyl chloride or acetyl chloride in presence of Lewis acid, that is anhydrous aluminum chloride. Now see the reaction anisole or methyl phenyl ether when treated with acetyl chloride in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride gives a mixture of orthomethoxyacetophenone, that is 2-methoxyacetophenone, and second product is para-methoxyacetophenone or 4-methoxyacetophenone. In this reaction, para-methoxyacetophenone is found to be a major product. Now we'll see the description of the reaction. Anisole reacts with acetyl chloride in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride to give a mixture of orthomethoxyacetophenone and para-methoxyacetophenone. In this reaction, orthohydrogen atom of benzene ring of anisole combines with Cl of acetyl chloride to give HCl as a byproduct, and this orthohydrogen is substituted by COCH3, that is acetyl group, so as to give orthomethoxyacetophenone. This parahydrogen also combines with Cl of acetyl chloride to give HCl as a byproduct, and parahydrogen is substituted by COCH3, that is acetyl group, so as to obtain paramethoxyacetophenone. This is the Friedel-Crafts acylation of anisole. Now, this is the activity based on the phenol. You are given benzene, concentrated H2SO4 and sodium hydroxide. So you have to write the equations for the preparation of phenol by using these reagents. You are given 3 reagents: benzene, constant H2SO4 and NaOH. So in short, you have to convert benzene into phenol, and at the same time you have to write the chemical equations involved in the reaction. म्हणजे या रिएक्शन मध्ये बेन्झीन पासून तुम्हाला फिनॉल तयार करायचा आहे. यामध्ये सगळ्या रिएक्शन लिहित असताना त्या व्यवस्थित लिहिणं, त्यांचे रिएजंट्स लिहिणं, कंडिशन्स लिहिणं हेही अपेक्षित आहे. एक फ्लो शीट किंवा फ्लो चार्ट या रिएक्शनचा आपण करावा अशी अपेक्षा आहे. धन्यवाद.